Hello everyone, I am Hanuman and today we are solving a quick and easy array problem, the lead code problem number 1550, uh, 3 consecutive odds. This problem is perfect for practicing traversal and conditional checking. We are given an integer and we need to check whether the array contains 3 consecutive odd numbers. If yes, then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. For example, uh, array which containing 2641 and it return false because there is no consecutive odd numbers. Now in this second example, uh, it returns true because you can see here 1, and then there are two even number, and the third is odd, and then again one from odd, and then even, and then again even and even. So 5, 7 and 23 are 3 consecutive odds. So this returns true. So let's move to the solution part. So we have to simply traverse the array and count consecutive odd numbers. If we count, if count becomes 3, return true immediately, else we will return false. So first we have to declare an int count, which will be initialized as 0 at the starting, and then a for loop which will traverse on the array, and in this for loop we are uh, checking in condition if num if num modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then count increment. And again in this condition we have to check one more condition, that if count equals 3, then return true. And then after this condition we have to write an else condition. In this we have to write count equal to 0, so that it becomes again 0 and starts from the beginning. So after this we have to return false because the count the array was not holding the consecutive numbers. So first we will check the cases. Okay, now we will uh, run this code to check whether all the test cases passes or not. So as we run this code, our solution, our both the test cases have been passed successfully. And now I will once again explain that we initialize int count equals to 0 to track consecutive odd numbers, and then the for loop checks every number one by one, and then the first if condition uh, odd number gives a reminder 1 when divided by 2, and then we increment the count value, increase consecutive odd count. And the second if condition uh, check as soon as the count become 3, it returns true. And the count in the else condition, the count equal to 0, if even number appears, sequence breaks. So this was the solution. Now we will submit this and check if time complexity and space complexity. So here our solution took 0 ms, which is best, and space complexity is also best. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.